Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive through West Virginia on US Highway 11 North, beginning at mile 7 in Berkeley County. Here US 11 is locally named Winchester Avenue, likely for Winchester, Virginia, the last city we drove through before crossing the state line. After this intersection on the right is the Eastern West Virginia Regional Airport, otherwise known as Shepherd Field, with an IATA code of MRB. The airport is mainly used for small aircraft and private flights. The Airport Authority, represented by MRB Aviation, offers various services such as charter flights, managing aircraft, providing flight training through Bravo Flight Training, aircraft maintenance, fuel sales, and hangar rental. The airport spans 998 acres and sits at an elevation of 565 feet above sea level. It has a single runway predominantly made of asphalt, but with some sections composed of concrete. The runway measures 8,815 by 150 feet, with paved asphalt shoulders extending 25 feet on each side and additional 400-foot paved blast pads at each end. This totals to approximately 9,615 feet in length and 200 feet in width, making it the largest runway in West Virginia. We enter the city of Martinsburg, the county seat of Berkeley County, with a population of 18,773 as of the 2020 census. Martinsburg was founded during the American Revolutionary War in December 1778 through legislation passed by the Virginia General Assembly. Major General Adam Stephen, the founder, named the town for Colonel Thomas Bryan Martin, who was related to Thomas Fairfax, the 6th Lord Fairfax of Cameron. The first post office in what is now West Virginia was established in Martinsburg in 1792, when the region was still part of Virginia. The city was officially incorporated on March 30, 1868, by the newly formed West Virginia legislature. Over time, Martinsburg grew as a hub for the railroad industry and its workforce. Telephone service was introduced in 1883, followed by electricity in 1889, through a franchise granted by the United Edison Manufacturing Company of New York. Martinsburg is home to several major private employers, including Quad Graphics, Ecolab, Orgill, Macy's, and FedEx. In 2015, Procter & Gamble announced plans to construct a $500 million facility near the city. Additionally, the city hosts numerous federal government agencies such as the Internal Revenue Service, U.S. Coast Guard National Maritime Center, Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, and the Martinsburg VA Medical Center. The Martinsburg IRS facility, one of 2 enterprise computing centers of the Internal Revenue Service, processes a significant portion of the country's electronically filed tax documents. Furthermore, Martinsburg is home to the 167th Airlift Wing of the West Virginia Air National Guard, stationed at the Eastern West Virginia Regional Airport. Here at West King Street, US 11 turns right, and West Virginia State Route 15 goes off to the left. We're getting into Martinsburg's historic downtown area, which is an active area filled with local shops, galleries, and restaurants and other businesses. Along the way is the Northern District Court of West Virginia, a branch of the Martinsburg-Berkeley Public Library, Patterson's Drug Store complete with an old-time soda fountain, and the Martinsburg Municipal Court and Police Department. We turn left onto South Queen Street here and join State Routes 9 and 45 in a concurrency. At Moeller Avenue, the concurrency with State Route 45 ends, but State Route 9 hangs on a while longer. Here, US 11 turns right onto Williamsburg Pike, breaking away from State Route 9. We conclude today's video at mile 15 as we leave the city limits of Martinsburg. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.